It's almost the end of summer. I feel like I should make this most popular summer sandwich today. That's right, BLT. I know a lot of you guys probably make way better BLT than me, but it's BLT. It's simple, easy, and delicious as long as you have lettuce, tomato, and cooked bacon in the fridge, 2 pieces of bread, and you're good to go. When I make BLT, I like to use those thick-cut hickory smoked bacon. The type of bacon is so important. The cost of living went a little bit too far in 2022, especially the groceries. I bought this 3 pounds hickory smoked bacon from Walmart yesterday. It was $17.28 for 26 pieces of bacon. I cooked the bacon in a large pan over medium-high heat until evenly brown, because I only cooked the one BLT sandwich for myself. But if you plan to make more than one BLT sandwich, I highly recommend you cook the bacon in the oven. It will save a lot of time. I like to cut my bacon in half when I'm cooking them. It's just easier that way when you cook them, and it's easier to put on your sandwich too. About 10 minutes. Drain bacon on a paper towel lined plate. Those bacon are beautiful and crispy. It's the same pan. I didn't even wash it. I just added a little bit leftover bacon fat in the pan. Toasted the bread on both sides. I like to use round and big tomato for my BLT sandwich. Slice 2 slices or plenty. Cut the end of the lettuce. And our bread is done. Spread mayonnaise on both slices of bread. Then arrange tomato, lettuce, and cooked bacon on the toast bread. I used 4 slices of bacon and cut them in half. You can use as many bacon as you want. Then close to make a sandwich. Gently press your sandwich. Look at that. Here you go. It's simple, easy, and delicious. I cut it in half, just easier to grab and eat. Let's talk about how much costs the homemade BLT sandwich. We can look at those ingredients first. A bag of tomatoes costs $1.50. A bag of bread costs $2.94. A bag of 3 pounds bacon costs $17.28. And a bag of lettuce costs $2.97. 4 pieces of bacon cost $2.66. Half of tomato cost 38 cents. 2 pieces of lettuce, 20 cents. 2 pieces of bread, 28 cents. Mayo is 10 cents. Add all these ingredients together, my homemade BLT sandwich cost around $3.62 per sandwich. Not too bad, but it is definitely not the cheapest sandwich to make. Alright, thank you for watching today's video. See you next time.